Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be super quick, helpful video to any of you trying to find the power seat fuses relays on GMC Sierra D generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. If you need to buy replacement parts, tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. We can see where we get all our tool supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So for the power seats, which fuses and relays we need to check, we'll demonstrate on this generation GMC Sierra right here. By the way guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes. Today we'll be working 2 of them, but we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. People told us that video saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we need to do today, first open the driver door on the side of the dash, on the driver's side. If we zoom in, you see that a cover right here guys. Okay, this is a cover. You can pry that open. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here guys, let's zoom in. By the way, if you have a 2018 GMC Sierra, the fuse boxes may differ slightly, but specifically for the power seats, everything will be the same on every year model. The fuse that we need to check here for the driver's side power seat guys will be, we're talking about fuse 41, this one right here. Then you need to come to the passenger side. And on the side of the dash again, you have another fuse box under that cover. Pry the cover open and surprise, another fuse box guys. And here, which fuse we need to check again. One more guys. And we're talking specifically, that's for the passenger seat, fuse number 47. That fuse that you see right here. What about relays? You don't have relays guys. Okay, the relay function, I guess it's controlled by the BCM, but these fuses are known as relay fuses as well, so that will be the only thing that you need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.